Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add social media icons on your Shopify. So I'll just make it quick for you guys so you'll be on your way. So all you have to do is go to your online store, themes, customize right here, and then from there you want to go to your theme settings. From there, scroll down until you find social media. From here, you will be able to add actually your social media accounts and it will actually have the icon already and it's going to be readily available for you guys. So just drop your Facebook link, Instagram link, YouTube link, TikTok link, X link, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, Vimeo if you have one right here. And it's just that simple to add social media icons onto your Shopify store. So it will automatically already happen. You don't have to do anything else. You just have to add the link and it will be on its way. It's an automatic process that will happen. So if you have other suggestions and comments, you can comment down below. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.